so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry, you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be doing a hair review, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, ring that bell, and also follow all of my other social medias. Everything will be in the description below. Also, make sure you guys go check out Westkiss hair. Shout out to them for sending me this beautiful long wig, y'all. It is so beautiful. This is a 30-inch loose wave, 13 by 4, I believe. And it's just really cute. I can't wait to slay it, y'all. I was on diet, but I was like, no, I'm gonna just do around that side part, because I've been doing middle parts a little bit too much, and I usually don't even do middle parts. I don't like middle parts, so I don't know what's been up with that. Yeah, make sure y'all go check out Westkiss hair. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm finna bleach these knots though, so these are the knots before. This is the HD lace, by the way, if y'all can tell. And yeah, we're finna get into bleaching these knots. Once again, shout out to Westkiss hair, and I will see y'all in a few seconds, I guess. Oh yeah, y'all, I forgot to show y'all everything that came with the wig. They also sent me these lashes. These is real cute and long, which is my style. They sent me this headband, like a edge wrap, basically. And they also sent me a bonnet. Shout out to them. Period. And they send you a little bag to put the wig in if you may need it. So these are knots. I bleached them. Yeah, I cannot wait to put this wig on, y'all. Like, it's just super long, super pretty, and the texture is just bomb. So the main focus are probably going to be on the edges, because I'm gonna try to do like dramatic edges. And yeah, we're gonna get right into the installation, and let me know what y'all think, okay?
With that when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry, you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then don't come with you. And be like, bitch, you put their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special. I'm with it. Hey, goddamn. I'm with it. I'm with it. Yeah. I used to think about how you would act when a nigga got money, now you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry, you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then don't come with you. And be like, bitch, you put their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special. I'm with it. Hey, goddamn. I'm with it. I'm with it.
Y'all, the lace is laid and everything, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my part and my edges, as y'all can see. And
This ain't nothing, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell
This need to go and get hotter. Alright, we're gonna pin this back and part the edges out. So what you want to do is basically just part a line out of your edges. Just don't make it too thick because you don't want your edges to be thick. So, well, it depends on how big you like your edges, but you don't want it to look too goofy now.
Switched up on me. Now you gon' say what's up to me. Okay, so now you gon' make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special, but you don't mean nothing to me. Girl, I'm sorry you not the one for me. Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing to keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming. Young nigga, your friends bad too, then some come with you. And be like, bitch, you put their own shit, you don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we.
Okay, so now that we got the edges like straight and everything, we're gonna go ahead and cut them. Okay. But you don't want to cut them too short. Oh y'all, I'm glad I got me a hot comb. That is so much better than freaking the wand curl.
When a nigga got money, now you done switched up on.
Alright, and now you're gonna take a mousse or something of that sort, or whatever you use to lay your edges, and we're just gonna lay it all over the edges. And then you just want to smooth it back like into the edges.
Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we
I want to do like 2 edges right here, so I need to smooth that bit.
Keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hold to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on that.
Yep, yeah, I just did that. Don't blame me.
Young nigga, friends bad tuned in, some come with you. And we like, bitches put their own shit, we don't like gold diggers. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something special.
Okay, so I'm gonna just swoop this one over here. Boom. And I don't know if I want to do this one like going this way or that way. Okay, y'all, these are the edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay them down, and then we're gonna get into making the top of the wig flat. So if y'all like this wig so far, make sure y'all check out the link in the description and go shop with them. So we're gonna take this wax stick and we're gonna just put it right here and right here. And then we're just gonna take the hot comb and just do that. Flatten it real good. Ooh, that is hot, honey. When I tell y'all this thing get hot, it get hot. I need to pluck my part some more so it can look more natural. You have to be real careful with her. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look, period. Shout out to Westkiss hair. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you guys like this wig, make sure you click the link in the description. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Once again, shout out to Westkiss. Thank y'all for this beautiful wig. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next